here on Gull Lake. It's our 4th annual. I mean, it's my 4th time here ever. It's our 4th time together.
It's my 8th time out here.
Yeah.
It's our tradition.
Yeah.
Bowden's 3rd time.
It's 2023, July 5th. Yesterday was 4th of July. About a year ago, almost exactly a year ago, we were sitting on the same dock talking about the wedding, and I said I was going to push you in if you tried to back out at this point.
Yeah.
So now we've been married since October.
So that's why I didn't back out.
Yeah, he was worried about his death. So we've been married for 9 months.
9 months of bliss.
Wow, 9 months.
Happy wife, happy life.
Exactly. The next thing is, surprise, surprise, we're expecting, by the time this video comes out, it'll be...
Probably have 2 kids by then.
I'm 6 months behind on the videos. Due December 22nd, 2023, which is about 5 months from now. A little bit less than 5 months?
16 weeks this Friday, so.
16 this Friday. And you can't, I don't feel like you can tell.
I say we, I mean, you know, she's the one doing all the work. But
I wish we could split it 50-50.
I go and buy food for her when she's hungry.
I wish you could do the first half, I'll do the second half, you know. Last year we were here, we're counting down to wedding. And now we're counting down the baby. And we gotta do all the stuff, like a baby shower. And
yeah, we bought a house so the baby has a room.
Yeah, we got a house. There's other logistics too, like childcare, which is like a whole beast of a situation. Is figuring out what to do once the baby's here.
We're not finding out the sex.
That's true. I wanted a surprise. I didn't want to have too many expectations or anything, and also just wanted a good old-fashioned surprise.
Good old-fashioned surprise.
But I said we'll see how we feel closer we get if we change our minds. But I think I'm gonna hold out all the way until D-Day. I think I'll make it. But I was so sick from like week 6.5, 7-ish.
I think from like 3.
Well, you know.
As soon as you found out you're pregnant, you were sick.
No, I mean I had like a couple weeks where I was fine-ish, and then besides the tiredness, and then it was like week 7 is when I was like, this is not good. That was that week I was on the couch that weekend. In the last 2 weeks maybe, I'm still on the Unisom, but the last 2 weeks have been tolerable and I can be okay and have a better relationship with food and everything. But yeah, I'm looking forward to enjoying the second trimester. They say it's supposed to be better, so we'll see. I feel okay so far.
You're talking to the camera.
But I hope I can get off Unisom and just, you know, really thoroughly enjoy. I want to really thoroughly enjoy food again and not just struggle with eating or not eating or eating or whatever. But next time we're here,
we'll have a baby in our lap.
We'll have a 6-month-old right there. We should wear the same outfit.
I mean, I probably will. I don't really buy a lot of clothes year over year, so.
Yeah, I brought a lot of clothes with me that I'm not going to wear up to.
As long as I stop gaining weight. I've been gaining all the pregnancy weight.
Yeah, other than that, I guess we're just going to enjoy the rest of this trip, I guess.
I'm going to have a Man of the Baby Moon in the fall.
Maybe in the fall, do something easy and simple. We'll see. I feel like if I look at my face, I can tell like that I'm plumpier than usual, both from lack of exercise and the diet and also from the pregnancy. But I don't know if other people can on site look at my face and tell. So today's Wednesday, we got all day today, and then we got all day tomorrow, which is Thursday, and then we'll leave some point Friday later in the day, whatever, to get back for the weekend graduation stuff.
Probably afternoon, yeah, I don't want to rush out here.
Anything else about fatherhood, pending fatherhood or parenthood, or?
You know, I found there's a lot of help out there for expecting dads, so, you know, like I found a couple audiobooks, and I come accompanied with a week-by-week breakdown of what I can expect or what the mother and the baby are going through, so I can know what they're going through without, you know, having to ask her when she's sleeping on the couch because she's too sick to talk. I can at least understand.
Gas.
Yeah, she's got a lot of gas. No, I'm just kidding. I just want to be a good dad, so there's a lot of good information out there in the age of information, so I feel like it's a good time to become a dad.
Yeah.
You know, maybe not economically and everything else in the world, but... Okay. Yeah. Either way, I'm excited about it. That's it.
We're doing it regardless. We're in too deep now. This is happening. If you're back on now, I'll equally kill you at this point.
Either way, I do things because she threatens me with murder if I don't do it.
He's like, blink twice if you need help. He's fine. He's okay. Okay, well, that's all. We'll see you around. Bye.
I do have a longboard, Heather, but I don't have goggles for that one. Once I started snowboarding, my mom was very worried. Yeah. And so she felt the need.
Because everyone likes to ask me, how do you feel? You know?
Living pregnant, yeah.
And I try not to tell them my whole life story. Like, I was born in 1992. And when I got pregnant, you know, like the whole thing. I try to give them cliff notes of what I'm going through without sounding rehearsed every single time. Because it's the same response every single time. So my current story has been, oh, I feel much better compared to the last several weeks. Stomach pains, I couldn't eat.
You shooting a video right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was vomiting. It was terrible. But now, my stomach doesn't hurt as much. You know, I still lie down a lot, as you can see, but much better. So I've gotten my story down to about, you know, 30 seconds to explain to them my whole experience in the last 16 weeks. And tomorrow is officially week 16. She's like, oh wow, you don't look it. I'm like, I know, right? I just look like I ate a lot of food. I don't really look like I'm 4 months pregnant, right?
Tomorrow the uterus is going to be the size of a papaya.
The size of a papaya? How big is a papaya?
Maybe the size of my cell phone. I don't know.
But I can tell.
You may begin to feel the baby move. Your breast will continue to grow. And
Oh no.
Maybe tender or swollen.
Oh no.
Bonus for me.
Oh no, tenderoni.
Braxton Hicks contractions are continuing. Did you feel any this week?
No, I don't know what they're supposed to feel like, but I don't feel like I felt anything. I was in no pain, so. Bowden's been mostly good, but mostly his same self. I was stressed. He's giving me privacy to talk to myself on the camera. Do I care? Actually, I do care. I'm very self-conscious when people look at me talking to my camera. Because you think it'd be like a normal thing, but it's actually not. Because people see me doing like this, talking to my camera like this. And they're confused, like, who are you talking to? I'm like, it's complicated, okay? When I was 15, I picked up a camera and I started talking to it. And then I started posting it online. And now I'm addicted to doing that. And they're like, oh, okay. But people who know I do it a lot, they just understand. Okay. She's just documenting her reality for the future. But yeah. So now we're gonna get on a boat and go to a restaurant. Until then, I'm gonna keep lying down. Because why not? Go ahead and maybe Rager wants to play.
Rager wants to be observed, not touched.
He's gonna sit on that step, or is he going back down?